Roots is about the opportunity to look at artists that have been represented by Atrium for some time, who have grown up in St. Louis, have left primarily to go away to college, universities, etc., and not come back. They have settled either East Coast or West Coast, primarily New York or California, and they have had very, very successful careers. So the idea now is, do we say, oh, they went away to have successful careers, or they had successful careers when they went away because of the roots that they had in St. Louis? Did it give them determination, drive, confidence? So was there a contribution from their background that enhanced their ability to be successful? So that's what the show is about. We're looking at current work by 4 of these artists who met those requirements. We do have notebooks on each of the exhibiting artists with bios in them, and also reprints of articles of publicity, a little bit more about their history. And we invite people to take the opportunity to flip through those notebooks. And we have places where you can sit and linger and look at what's in your view and enjoy it. Atrium Gallery is now 38 years old. Before I started the gallery, I had lived in the DC area and worked at the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, and was working with their art exhibition program. They exhibited work proposed by the member countries. And that's where I first came to appreciate art as an international language. And when I started my business, I was quite determined that that would be an important element when I was putting together the stable of artists that I wished to show. I have shown artists from international backgrounds ever since I opened. One of the artists in our current exhibition, Julia Fernandez-Pol, has a background from Argentina. Her family was from Argentina. Her family moved to St. Louis. She was born here and grew up here. She still does have ties in South America and does exhibit there as well. So one of our artists is related to that interest that I had when I was putting together my business. There will be 2 more events connected with this exhibition, so further opportunities for people to come and see the show. We will be having an event with Julia Fernandez-Pol on April the 11th. In the evening, it is a cocktail event, and she will also be giving a gallery talk. And on April the 20th, we will have Gregg Louis in for a Saturday morning coffee, and he will also be offering an artist talk about his work in the show. And we hope that you can join us.